Simplify 1 over p minus 9 times p squared plus 6p minus 27 all over p plus 9. Whenever you're multiplying two fractions together and you see polynomials, what you really want to do is factor as much as you can. There's nothing I can do about 1 over p minus 9. That's done. But what I can do is p squared plus 6p minus 27 should factor out the two numbers that multiply out to negative 27 and add up to 6. Those two numbers would be p plus 9 and p minus 3. That's going to be all over p plus 9. Now, if we're multiplying fractions, we can essentially extend that bar and say, all right, well, 1 times p plus 9 times p minus 3 is p plus 9 times p minus 3. And on the bottom, we have p minus 9, p plus 9, p minus 9, p plus 9. Since all we're doing is multiplying this times that over this times that, anything that's in the numerator that's the exact same as the denominator crosses out. That leaves us with p minus 3 over p minus 9. Now, if you're looking at the equation and you have p minus 9 over p minus 3 over p minus 9, and you're thinking, let's cross out the p's, you can't. And the reason why you can't is now you're adding and or subtracting, and those won't cross out. You can only cross things out when you're multiplying. So since we're saying parentheses times parentheses over parentheses times parentheses, we can cross out the parentheses. We're not doing that anymore. So that's going to be our answer. Okay? Tough stuff.